Today we're going to be working on Leetcode question number 40, combination sum 2. It's very similar to the other combination question. So we have been given a candidate array called candidates uh, and a target number target, and we have to find all unique combinations in the candidates where the candidate numbers sum to target. So in this example, if we have 10, 1, 2, 7, 6, 1, 5, the target is 8. These are the ones, the different ones. We can't actually use the same one we already used in the solution. So yeah, so basically each number in the candidates may only be used once in the combination. The solution set must not contain duplicate combinations. So first we're gonna be writing our uh, the base cases and the structure of the solution. So initially we're gonna have an array, an empty array, res, which is gonna be the result we're gonna be returning. And again, if the candidate is null or undefined, or the candidate is an empty array, we're gonna be returning the res. Then we're gonna be sorting the candidate, uh, and so that it's gonna be much easier when we wanna make sure that we are not using uh, the same number again and again. So we sort the candidates array. Then we're going to be sending it to the helper function, and then we're going to be returning the result. So this helper function is taking basically it is taking three things. One is the the current sum, or you can say the running sum, then the current array which we put into our an array, uh, like hoping that it's gonna come out to be equal to the target. The sum is gonna come out, and index where we are right now. So in that helper function, the if the current sum becomes equal to the target, we can make sure that the current array is uh, is uh, is gonna be part of the result. So we just push it into the result. Yeah, we need to actually put it like uh, we have to flatten the current array into the result as an array. Once we are past that, so right now we do not we know that the current sum is not equal to the target right now. So we're gonna start our loop from I equals starting from the index to the length of the array. So uh, if the we wanna say that if the target, if the current iterator is not equal to the index, like if it is not equal to the index, and the candidates of I is actually equal to the previous one, like the element is equal to the previous element, and the I is not equal to the index, that means it's gonna be a duplicate. So we basically need to continue. We don't wanna try putting that uh, that element into our current array. So if the current sum is greater than the target, again we're gonna return it. We cannot possibly because it's a sorted array. We can, once we pass this point, it means that the target is gonna, our current sum or running sum is gonna keep becoming bigger than the target. So we don't want to try that. So we want to return. Other than that, we want to push the candidate where we are, like the candidate element into the current array. Again, call the helper function with the new arguments, and then pop the element from the current array. The new um, elements are gonna be the current sum plus the candidates of I, the current array stays the same, but the index is gonna get incremented by 1 as I plus 1, and then we're gonna pop the element. So yeah, uh, that's the classic solution of these kind of combination and permutation questions. We add an element, try it out, and then remove that element to see other related answers. Oh, cannot access helper before initialization. Oh my goodness, that needs to be moved first before calling that. Okay, yeah, this is gonna come before that. Okay, let's give it a try. And let's check for other test cases, and it passed all the test cases.